This will be a quick video. 9C, we just have a little more to do with piecewise 1 through 6. And starting out with first two simple ones where we really are showing three horizontal parts. We have to the left, we have to the right, and we have the function value. So very simply, to the left is -4, to the right is 2. These do not agree, so it's a jump, and it's D and E. The function value is 8. Another one like this, only now it's just not pure numeric. We see a left side, we see a right side, and we have a function value. Now, to the left, I plug in. I didn't show it. I should have. But 25 squared is 25 minus 25 is 0. The right side is down here. 25 minus 5 squared is 0. They're equal. So the limit is 0. The function value, though, is 2. And 2 and 0 are not the same, and so our conclusion is we have a hole. Now, the main reason for this video is when we come to my next two examples. Suppose I give you a sale at the pre-calculus limit store. 2 problems for the price of 1. Notice we have 2 domain changes. -2 and 2. So problem 1 involves 2 and the square root of 4 minus x squared. So here's problem 1. We have a left side and we have a right side. Problem 2 involves 2. Here's 2's left side, here's 2's right side. So here is problem 2. So it's 2 for the price of 1. So notice this says -2 from the left, and here's -2 from the right. That will be our ABCD problem. This one also plays twice, says I'm going to be 2 from the left, and the third one will be 2 from the right. Note this middle section is going to be a He-Man of lifting because he's going to be used twice as a limit. Notice the limit of -2 from the right and the limit of 2 from the left. And he's going to be used twice to find function value because here it states equal -2 and here it states equal 2. So when I ask what's the limit from the left of -2, that's going to be the number 2 to substitute, whose answer is 2. When I say what's the limit from the right of -2, well, that's the quantity 4 minus x squared. I wrote it up there. I plugged in 4 minus 4 gives me 0. These two are not equal, so it's D and E. It's a jump. What's the function value? Well, the function value is where I see equal. That was the square root. Notice it's going to be the same answer as part B. Going to the second problem, remember there was a sale at the store. Now we're going to ask about 2 left and 2 right. 2 to the left uses 4 minus x squared, so I get 0. 2 from the right uses -2, so I get -2. These two are not equal, so D and E, and I know I have a jump. Where is my function value? Oh, it's in the middle one. When I plug in 2, it's going to be the same as using the 4 minus x squared again, and I get 0. And now, another problem just like this. Whole bunch of square roots. I'm going to have -3 left, -3 right, +3 left, +3 right. Now this time we're going to use each of them twice because this has the equal, so it's a left limit and it's going to be a function value. This one's going to be a right limit for -3 and a left limit for +3, and this will be the right limit for 3, and it will also be 3's function value. So for problem 1, we're going to discuss -3. And the limit from the left of -3 is plugging into x squared minus 9, which is 9 minus 9 and 0. The limit from the right, I'm using 9 minus x squared. 9 minus 9 is 0. I see I get a 0, so it's either continuous or a hole. The function value is wherever I see the equal, which was at the number 1 or top function. And so 9 minus 9 is 0. Right here it is, sorry. And 0 equals 0, so it's continuous. Now on to problem 2. Problem 2 says let's start using 3. Well, 3 from the left is 9 minus x squared, and so 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 from the right uses x squared minus 9, and so square root 9 minus 9 is 0. Again, I'm either continuous or a whole. I want to now discuss what's f of 3? Well, 3 is equal to down here. And so the square root of 9 minus 9 is 0. And now we are continuous for both of these. Now notice I could have easily just put an equal to here and used the middle one 3 times and the bottom one only once. Or maybe I could have kept this the same and put the equal here, the middle one 3 times and the top one once. Notice the middle will always be used at least twice because it has 2 changes in it. The top one will always be used at least once and the bottom one at least once. We don't know which ones are going to get double duty, triple duty. This can only get double duty, but this can get double duty, triple duty, or quad duty, depending on what's going on. So this is all you needed for your next review sheet.